In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. One-handed mode is a very popular accessibility feature that allows you to shrink your screen, making it more comfortable to use with one hand only. So if you want to do it and text more comfortably, especially in a hurry, start by opening Settings. Then scroll to click on System section available here. Don't worry, I tested it before recording, so I can assure you it will work. Hit Gestures under Navigation mode. And finally, select One-handed mode. Now you need to tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Quick disclaimer though, if you are using Tricky's navigation, this section won't be available. I will show you how to use one-handed mode anyway in a second. Whichever method to navigate you are using, make sure to click on Full Screen into Reach. Then follow those instructions if you are using gestures. Pull down the top half of your screen by swiping down from the bottom. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, I will switch one to show you exactly how. Scroll and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut instead. Then hit OK in the pop-up and tap on this shortcut to enable or disable one-handed mode wherever you want to. You can go back the same way by clicking on this area here or swiping up, but you can also tap on the same button again. To move it around, hold it and drag it. Quick tip, most people forget that you can actually tap on one-handed mode shortcut on the left and pick one of those options instead if you want to use one-handed mode shortcut from Quick Settings as an accessibility button like in default case. Thanks to volume keys. And if you don't like any of them, you can also hit more options under accessibility button and try to adjust it to make it more comfortable for you. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!